Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you create Goku off of Infinite Craft? So put water beside and fire here, add it together to create steam. And now I'm going to need you to add the water beside here. Put down earth here to create plant. Now plant plus the earth here will eventually create a swamp. So that's what I need you to do. Add it. And then add a fire here to create a dragon. And then add the two of them together to create this icon right here, and add earth to it to create robot. Add plant to create cyborg. And then add the dragon to the cyborg to create Dragon Ball Z. Now, Dragon Ball Z, we have just to add the wind here to eventually create the Goku here. So here it is. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.